There comes a time in your life when everything falls apart. When you wake up and realize you are alone. The people who once cheered for you, gone. The dreams you held on to, shattered. And the worst part, no one is coming to save you. You look at yourself in the mirror and you see a ghost of what you used to be. Broken, weak, defeated. But let me tell you something. This is where legends are made, right here, in the abyss. Because pain is a forge, and you are the weapon being sharpened. They tried to bury you. They thought you were finished, but they didn't realize you are a seed. And seeds, they grow in darkness. You see, weakness is a choice. Suffering is the tax you pay for greatness. So when life beats you down, you have two options. Stay down like a coward, or rise like a warrior. You want to know the truth? No one cares about your excuses. No one is coming to rescue you. No one gives a damn about how hard your life has been. The only thing the world respects is results. You either win or you lose. That's it. They will call you obsessed. They will call you insane. Let them. Because the great ones, they always walk alone. You were not born to be ordinary. You were not meant to be another faceless name in the crowd. Deep down, you know you were built for something greater. And it's time you start acting like it. Every great empire was built on the bones of those who refused to give up. Every legend was once a nobody who decided they had had enough of mediocrity. You are no different. You have the same fire inside you. You just have to wake it up. Pain is temporary. Fear is an illusion. Weakness, a disease that must be burned out of your soul. Do you think you have time? You don't. Every second you waste, your dreams rot a little more. Every excuse you make, someone else is grinding, getting stronger, taking what could have been yours. How much longer are you going to wait? Break your limits, shatter your fears, build yourself into the monster they fear and the legend they can't ignore. Because in the end, it's not about who had talent. It's not about who had luck. It's about who had the guts to keep going when everything inside them screamed to quit. You are the storm. You are the fire. And no one is going to stop you. Now get up, get moving, and show the world who the hell you are. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are the architect of your destiny. Every scar, every tear, every moment of suffering has shaped you into something unstoppable. It's time to step into your power. No more waiting. No more excuses. The clock is ticking. Your story is being written. Will it be a tragedy or a triumph? You have survived your darkest nights. You have endured storms that would have destroyed weaker souls. Do you understand what that means? You are built differently. You are unbreakable. Pressure creates diamonds. Fire refines steel. And adversity, it forges warriors. Every challenge you have faced was meant to mold you into something greater. Every hardship was fuel for your rise. So stop waiting. Stop hesitating. The time to act is now. Step through that door. Step into your destiny. Let the world hear your roar. No more doubts. No more waiting for permission. You were born to dominate. You were made to conquer. So go. Rise and make history. It's your time. Take it.